Toshiba AC blinking light problem solved, step-by-step guide. A blinking timer light on a Toshiba Inverter AC often indicates a problem or a need for maintenance. It could signify a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units, a clogged air filter, or other issues that require attention. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Communication error. The blinking timer light could signal a communication problem between the indoor and outdoor units, potentially due to a faulty connection or a problem with the PCB board. Clogged air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter can restrict airflow, causing the AC to overheat and triggering the blinking light. Sensor issues. Faulty sensors in the indoor or outdoor unit could also be the culprit. Other electrical issues. Electrical problems like loose connections or a tripped circuit breaker can also cause the timer light to blink. Debris blockage. Debris or obstructions in the airflow path can also lead to the light blinking. Troubleshooting steps. Reset the AC. Turn off the AC unit, unplug it for a few minutes, and then plug it back in and turn it on. Check the air filter. Inspect and clean the air filter. A clogged filter can significantly impact performance. Check for obstructions. Ensure there are no obstructions in the airflow path around the indoor and outdoor units. Inspect connections. Check for any loose or damaged electrical connections. Consult the manual. Refer to your Toshiba AC's user manual for specific troubleshooting steps and error codes. Contact a technician. If the problem persists after these steps, it's best to contact a qualified air conditioning technician for diagnosis and repair.